The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a stylish small SUV that's also very useful, with a bigger cabin and more storage space than many of its competitors. The base model comes with a 187 HP four-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive can be added as an extra. Even though it moves slowly, the Tucson is nice to ride in. In 2025, the Tucson's fourth year on the market, it gets a new look with changes to its head, bumpers, and wheels. The old optional infotainment system in the Tucson has been replaced with a new one that has two displays, one for infotainment and the other for gauges, sharing a single rectangular housing on the dashboard. Base models get a single 12.3-inch tablet and analog gauges. There have been changes made to the steering wheel and the climate control screen. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson starts at $29,750 and goes up to $39,690, depending on the trim and options. We'd go with the mid-level SEL trim, which includes desirable equipment such as a power liftgate, a power driver's seat, heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and dual-zone automatic climate control. For an extra $2,450, the convenience package adds other niceties including additional driver assist features, a sunroof, built-in navigation, and a digital gauge cluster. All-wheel drive is $1,500 on all trim levels. Performance. It comes with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower. The Tucson doesn't have enough speed for passing on the highway or in the city, so drivers who are quick on their feet will want more. The Tucson isn't a sports car, but it goes around corners well, steers well, and rides comfortably. The most impressive thing about driving the Tucson is how smooth and quiet it is when you're just cruising. It has a sense of comfort that isn't common in this class. With front-wheel drive, the EPA says the Tucson should get up to 25 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. But on our highway fuel economy route going 75 mph, a Tucson XRT only got 26 mpg, which was discouraging. Interior. The Tucson's dashboard is simple but modern. It has a digital gauge display, a shifter placed on the column, and a separate panel with real buttons for the climate control system. Hyundai's most recent redesigns of the Sonata and Elantra sedans and the flagship Palisade SUV were turning points for the company's interior designs. The Tucson follows this trend with a well-thought-out interior, packed with high-quality materials and high-end features. The Tucson has more room in the back for both seats and cargo than many of its competitors, making it more comfortable and useful for passengers. It was possible to fit 9 carry-on suitcases behind the back row. With the seatbacks folded down, it was possible to fit 22 bags. The Tucson can get an optional improved infotainment system with 2 digital screens built into a single housing that takes up most of the dashboard's width. The digital gauges are on one screen, and the radio, navigation, car settings, and more can be accessed on the other. This new setup is only standard on the N-Line and limited cars, though. Don't forget to subscribe to the Cars Rumors channel for more exciting automotive news and reveals. Stay tuned for in-depth reviews, comparisons, and exclusive content on the latest models hitting the market. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.